Welcome back to Beautyistic. You know, sometimes it's the smallest tools that can make the biggest impact in our beauty routines. We're talking about the basics today, like your trusted fingernail clippers. But not just any clippers. We're diving into the Tweezerman stainless steel fingernail clipper, designed for both women and men. It's time to get those nails neatly trimmed and healthy, and this tool promises precision in every cut. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. The Tweezerman stainless steel fingernail clipper comes with a few standout features right off the bat. First, the stainless steel construction is not just durable, but also incredibly easy to clean, which is essential when we're talking about a tool that comes in contact with our nails so often. The clippers boast sharp, strong cutting edges, designed for precision, and a curved blade that follows the natural contour of your nail, ensuring an even cut every time. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. I was curious to see how easily this could be incorporated into my routine. I have to admit, I was pleasantly surprised by how well it fit into the palm of my hand. The lever is easy to grip, and the cutting action is smooth, no tugging or uncomfortable pressure, which can be a deal-breaker with lesser quality clippers. When I first used them, I started at the corners of my nails as instructed, clipping towards the center and finishing with the center of the nail. This technique really helped avoid putting unnecessary stress on my natural nails, preventing any cracking or splitting. Even after multiple uses, I found that the sharp edges still perform well, cutting cleanly without having to make multiple passes. But let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Tweezerman clippers are definitely a cut above the rest when it comes to precision. The curved blades really do follow the natural shape of your nails, which makes for a more ergonomic, even trim. The build quality is excellent, and the stainless steel finish looks sleek while being incredibly sturdy. It's one of those tools that feels solid in your hand, giving you confidence as you work. On the flip side, the design is a bit minimalist. If you're someone who likes extra features or a more fancy ergonomic grip, these may not tick all the boxes. It's a bit on the simpler side, perfect for no-frills trimming, but not for those looking for a more luxurious experience. Also, while the lever is easy to maneuver, it's a bit stiffer compared to some other brands, especially if you're used to a smoother action. But I wouldn't let that dissuade you. It's still very functional. When it comes to value for money, I'd say these clippers are a solid investment. While not the cheapest option out there, the quality and longevity of the Tweezerman clippers are worth the price. If you're using a product this frequently, you want something that will hold up over time. Plus, you're getting that precision trimming without the fuss, which, in my book, is always worth a bit more. For comparison, if you're looking for something a little more affordable, there are other brands like Revlon or Sally Hansen that offer similar clippers at a lower price point. But the Tweezerman's quality and longevity set them apart. This isn't a product you'll be replacing anytime soon. As for build quality and longevity, these clippers feel like they're made to last. The stainless steel construction is strong and resistant to wear, and I've been using them consistently without seeing any signs of degradation. It's a solid investment for your beauty toolkit. I didn't have to reach out to customer service, but Tweezerman has a great reputation for handling inquiries and concerns, so you can rest assured that if any issues do arise, they're likely to be addressed promptly. If you're someone who's already tried a variety of nail clippers and still hasn't found that perfect one, Tweezerman could be the answer. With its strong build, precision cutting, and ease of use, it's a great option for anyone looking to up their nail care routine. So after testing these out, I'm happy to say that Tweezerman's stainless steel fingernail clippers definitely live up to their reputation. They deliver on their promise of precision and durability, making them a great option for anyone who values high-quality, functional tools. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in, and if you've used these clippers, let us know in the comments below. Share your thoughts and experiences with us. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.